Protein is one of the essential building blocks our bodies need. It plays a key role in everything from our organs and muscles to our skin and hormones. Proteins are made up of amino acids. There are 20 in total, and 8 of them are considered essential. That means our bodies can't produce them on their own, so we need to get them through the food we eat. Hey, and welcome to It's All About Your Wellness. Because protein is so important, it's a good idea to include it in every meal. Not only that, but it's also important to get protein from a variety of sources to make sure you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs. According to the Directorate of Health, protein should make up about 10 to 20% of your total energy intake. For people over 65, the recommendation is a bit higher, 15 to 20%. The good news is, there are plenty of tasty and nutritious foods that are rich in protein, making it easy to meet your daily needs. So let's dive into 20 foods that's loaded with protein. 1. Chicken. A lean source of protein, chicken is a staple in many diets due to its versatility and low-fat content. Grilled, baked, or stir-fried, it's an excellent option for building muscle. 2. Lentils. Packed with plant-based protein and fiber, lentils are great for vegans and vegetarians. They also help stabilize blood sugar and promote digestive health. 3. Greek yogurt. Thicker and creamier than regular yogurt, Greek yogurt boasts double the protein. It's perfect for breakfast or a post-workout snack. 4. Tuna. Tuna is a high-protein, low-fat fish rich in omega-3 fatty acids. It's ideal for salads, sandwiches, or eaten straight from the can. 5. Almonds. Almonds are not only high in protein but also provide healthy fats and vitamin E. They make a great on-the-go snack or addition to oatmeal. 6. Shrimp. Shrimp are low in calories but packed with protein and nutrients like selenium and iodine. They're quick to cook and versatile in dishes. 7. Eggs. Eggs are a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids. They're also affordable and can be cooked in numerous ways. 8. Parmesan. This aged cheese is not only flavorful but also dense in protein and calcium. Sprinkle it on pasta or salads for a tasty boost. 9. Oatmeal. Oatmeal has more protein than most grains and is a great source of complex carbs. Add some nuts or Greek yogurt to increase its protein punch. 10. Beans. Beans come in many varieties and are rich in both protein and fiber. They're ideal for soups, stews, and salads. 11. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is especially high in casein protein, which digests slowly. It's perfect as a snack or paired with fruit. 12. Peas. Green peas contain a surprising amount of protein and can easily be added to soups, pastas, or mashed for a side dish. 13. Milk. Milk provides high-quality protein along with calcium and vitamin D. It's a convenient drink post-workout or as part of a meal. 14. Quinoa. Quinoa is one of the few plant-based foods that contains all essential amino acids. It's a fantastic gluten-free grain substitute. 15. Pumpkin seeds. These crunchy seeds are high in protein and rich in magnesium and iron. They're a perfect addition to salads or eaten on their own. 16. Brussels sprouts. These small green veggies offer a decent amount of protein for a vegetable and are also loaded with fiber and antioxidants. 17. Goat cheese. Creamy and tangy. Goat cheese provides protein and healthy fats. It's great in salads or as a spread. 18. Whole grain pasta. Whole grain pasta contains more protein than its refined counterpart and provides sustained energy due to its fiber content. 19. Sweet potato. While better known for its carbs, sweet potato still offers some protein and is full of vitamins like A and C. 20. Salmon. Salmon is rich in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, making it excellent for heart and brain health. Bake or grill it for a delicious, nutritious meal. So there you have it, a list of 20 tasty, muscle-friendly foods that'll keep your energy high and your snack game strong. Whether you're into quinoa crunch or shrimp sizzle, there's something in there for every taste bud and every fitness goal. Bonus: yes, cheese made the cut. You're welcome. Yes, eggs are still undefeated. Yes, we stan almonds. So fuel up, flex on your cravings, and remember, protein isn't just for gym buffs. It's for anyone who wants to stay full, feel strong, and maybe grow hair that deserves its own fan. Tag a friend who needs to level up their lunch game. And feel free to subscribe so you get motivated to live a healthy and fulfilling life. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth.